We feed this finished film into the next machine. This is the material return machine. Then we take it apart. It's an up and down mode. Up and down. You can also refer to the specifications for the exact hole size. Hey. After we feed it through, we place it onto the white tape welding machine. This position also needs adjustment because the width varies for each model. Now we need to adjust it. Also based on that size I mentioned earlier, the length of this post, which helps calculate the center position. This one. That is. Okay. You can leave a small gap. It's okay. Then we feed it through the sealing gun weld to the spot where we will weld next. Then we clamp it. Clamp it tight for now, because it hasn't performed the motor pulling action. We have to feed it straight into the forming machine in one go. And this volume also needs fine-tuning. Oh, then it passes through the preforming step. When feeding the film through, it should be able to pass through and get caught. Then it just hits the top stop. It needs to catch the top. Once it passes through here, keep pulling it. Then you need to feed it based on the film width here. For this kind of film, as long as you can fold up the edge like this, when you pull, see, this line position can also limit it. This is about the top position. Then we trim it. Regarding this fold, firstly, fold like this. You asked for more details? You need to loosen these screws first. Because the screw rod is used to adjust this spacing. The main spacing is on both sides. To control how much to fold, we limit how much it folds. Loosen these screws first. The structure on the other side is the same. Then we can operate this lever. This line position can expand. Then put the material in. No. Right. If it leaks, it will be in an overlapping state. Then, how much overlap is controlled by this line position? Yes. The function of this part is mainly to apply pressure when the film is welded later. Exactly. Right. For now, just like this, if the size is off later, we do fine adjustments. Here there are 2 hooks. To catch it, the side must be hooked, because the white membrane will bulge at this point. It will puff up. After adjusting, tighten this screw. Then pull the zipper. Pull it off and fold it. Then loosen this part. Pull it out. Then clamp it tight for now. Yes. With this, our overall film feeding is complete.